Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 2 Episode 12. In this video, I'm going to share with you a 3 cups chicken recipe. Flavorful chicken infused with basil is so delicious and the beautiful aroma fills up the room. It is recognized as a comfort food for young and old. A happy tummy is a happy you. This is a well-known traditional recipe especially popular in Taiwan. This is called Bei Ji in Mandarin Chinese. San means tree, Bei means cup, and Ji means chicken. The dish derives its name from 3 key ingredients, which is Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this 3 cups chicken recipe. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!